Hi guys, good evening. Hope you all are doing fine and Sunday is treating you well. There is something which is going on in my mind since morning. I wanted to make a video on the same. So as you all know that I have recently shifted my house, and so we were doing the decluttering thing, and my daughter came up with a dress which supposedly has a small spot, and she liked that dress a lot earlier, and she came up to me and said that, Mama, I don't want to wear this dress again because this has got a mark. And she was trying to show me, and I could not see any mark in the dress. And I said, this dress is so beautiful, and you liked it so much, and now why do you feel that you want to discard it? She said that she wants to discard because of the mark, and I said I apparently can't see any mark which is there. And she said, Mama, see it carefully, the mark is there. And then also I could not see it, and the dress had long gown type of feel and frill and something, the color and all, everything is so beautiful, but she kind of focused on the spot, so she wanted to discard it, and I could not see the mark because I was seeing the in totality. The dress is so beautiful, she liked the color, she liked the design, and she liked the flow and everything. So think about it this way, where is your focus? I had discussed about this in 2 posts back, I think. Where is your focus? Invariably you will miss out on beautiful aspects in your personality if you keep on focusing on what is not good in you. So there can be a physical attribute which is not perfect, and it is okay to be not perfect, but we tend to only look at things which are not good in us. Someone having a dusky complexion, someone having a more fairer complexion, someone with a short height, someone with tall, someone who is tall, and some people have marks and blemishes, and that is a part of our skin, and it's absolutely fine. No one is perfect. Maybe the social media, the editing, the filters have made it look like this, but no one is perfect. And if someone claims to be perfect and wants to achieve perfection in life, then he is surely going to fail, because there is no end to perfection. So if you keep on focusing at something in your physical appearance, here I am talking only about physical, but you can also take it in other aspects of your life also. So if you keep on focusing on that one spot in your face or somewhere in your body, you will lose out on such beautiful attributes that you have in your physical appearance, in your personality, in your character, in your attitude. So many things are there, but if you only tend to look at something which is not very appealing or which does not look good, you miss out on an opportunity to enhance other aspects of your life. So my daughter kept on looking at that mark and forgot that she loved that dress so much, because her focus was only on that mark, while my focus was that she liked the dress, she liked the color, she liked the flow and everything, and I could not see the mark because my focus was not there. So you choose to see the things which is in your focus, which are in your focus, and you miss out on an opportunity to talk about the beauty that is there in the thing apart from what is visible to your eyes. So look into yourself and try to divert from what you think about all the time, because what is in your focus will keep on showing everywhere. So see the beauty in your soul, see the beauty in your voice, see the beauty in your attitude, see the beauty in how compassionate and kind you are to people. The mark on your skin or your face does not define who you are, and ultimately if you don't accept that mark, no one else is going to. So accept yourself, work on improving yourself, and do it gracefully, so that you don't have resistance towards accepting yourself. That's the beauty of this life, be it your physical appearance or your soul, your feelings, your emotions. First thing is acceptance within, then you can expect people to accept you as you are. But it all begins like charity, this thing begins at home. You have to accept yourself first, and any kind of mark, blemish or anything, physical scar, does not define you as a person. So this is my message to anyone who is hearing me and needs to hear this, and do let me know if you have any query. Have a great Sunday evening. Bye.